Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a Microsoft account from Windows 11. So to delete a Microsoft account from Windows 11, all you need to do is just go and hit the Windows I key on your keyboard. This will open your settings. Of course, you can also do it the manual way, which is looking for settings, or even go to the Windows key, then simply go and click on settings right here. So once you open the settings, of course, all you need to do just go on this left panel and click on accounts. Here, what you'll need to do is simply scroll down until you find this other users. Once you do so here, as an example for me, I don't have any other user. Of course, I can go here and click on add an account and add another Microsoft account, then delete it. But for you, once you do so, you should find all the users that you have here and you can simply select the one that you want to remove. Once you click on the user, you'll find the manage button. Once you click on the manage button, you will find the remove option. And of course, you can confirm by clicking on delete account data and you should be good to go. If you want another option, not using the settings, you can go and hit the Windows R and simply type control. Once you type control, you should find yourself here. Also here, you'll have to go to user's account and here again, click on user's account. And of course, here you can click on remove user's account right away. And if you find any other user, you can simply just click on it and click on the delete button. This is the only user, so I don't have a delete user button. For you, you can click on any other user and click on delete. And that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.